But right now, a new trend is emerging in our state's COVID-19 outbreak. A professor at the University of Arizona notes a continued decline in cases among working age and older adults and a new uptick in cases in kids and younger adults, specifically those ages 10 to 29. And the red and blue lines on this graph show just that trend happening. He attributes it to college students heading back to campus at our state's universities. ABC 15's Mike Pelton looks at the data and how some students are navigating the pandemic on campus.
Well, compared with total enrollment, the numbers remain small, although they're climbing. The University of Arizona, with more than 500 known cases since the start of last month, and here at ASU, nearly 1,000 students have tested positive.
I know I'm taking the proper precautions so I don't spread it or I don't spread it to other people.
But ASU freshman Aiden Lowry tells me fellow students are falling ill.
In each dorm, there's like services that'll bring people who have COVID food to like the dorms, and like each bag represents like a person, I guess. So I'm seeing a lot more like bags of food being delivered.
And University of Arizona Associate Professor Joe Gerald is seeing the data reflect a recent uptick in cases in those 10 to 19 years old and 20 to 29, seen in this graph. He compiles weekly modeling reports, his latest pointing to universities reopening. Quote, rising cases on university campuses pose an unknown risk to the broader community, as it is unclear to what extent that the social networks of students and the broader community overlap. Here's Arizona's former emergency management director and ABC 15 analyst Wendy Smith-Reeve.
There was an expectation that there would be a bump. And we're seeing that. But what we're hoping for is that the mitigation measures that are being practiced on campus are going to be helpful, and that you're not going to see a significant spike.
Since I'm dorming, I'm trying to go to as many in-person classes as I can since I'm paying to be in the dorms.
ASU freshman Tyler Thornton says he's doing his part.
Very important to me because I actually want to stay here and, kind of have the college experience. The last thing I want is for the school to kind of kick everyone off because too many people got infected.
As the signs say, forks up, masks up, I hope cases don't also go up. In Tempe, Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.